Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 1.3, addition with real numbers. Our first problem is negative 15 plus 7. So what we want to do is we want to add 7 to negative 15. We can think about this in terms of a number line. Draw my long number line here. Okay, so now we're going to put a point on negative 15. We'll grab a different color marker. We're going to put a point on negative 15, point on 7. What I want to do, I just want to start at negative 15 and count towards 0 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That brings us to negative 8. And if we type that into the calculator, we'll see that the answer is negative 8. Put the answer over here. So I get my next problem. Okay. The next problem is 8.3 plus negative 11.2. Plus negative 11.2. Okay. So I think it helps. Let's write the problem that way. So what we want to do is we want to add 8.3 to 11.2. What we can actually do is turn this into a subtraction problem by borrowing this negative sign here. So 11.2 minus 8.3. When we bring down our minus sign, that equals negative 0.9. This is also going to be a two-part video. The second part will be fractions. Here we have an absolute value problem. Seem to have lost my eraser. Problem is absolute value 69.8. Plus absolute value negative 83. Drawing from some previous concepts, we know that this side of the equation, or the addition problem rather, is going to be positive 69. 9.8 plus. And this side is going to become positive. Absolute value negative 83 is 83. So now add these together. And some simple addition here. 6 plus 8, 14. Plus 1 is 15. So it's 152.8. Okay. And the next problem I have for you guys is, we'll have to get a better setup, guys. I'm sorry about bumping the camera. 6.2 plus negative 8.2 plus negative 9.2. So we want to break this problem down. We're going to worry about the 6.2 later. So right now we're going to focus on these two numbers in parentheses. So if we have negative number plus negative number, then the answer is going to be negative. We have positive plus a positive number, then the answer is going to be positive. What I want to do is I want to just simply add these two numbers together. And then apply a negative sign to it, because when there's two negative signs with an addition operator, the sign gets carried through to the answer. So now what we want to do is add .2 to 17.4, so we can borrow that negative sign, turn this into a subtraction problem. That brings us to negative 11.2. All right, and I believe this is the last problem we'll do. So